Alright guys, so today's another day and there might be a supplier. This time around, I'm on case shoes. Yeah, just solely in case products. Alright.
The warehouse.
So this is the warehouse and very big production you can see. Wow, very nice products. Yes. See them who know I say. For one and for they are very good products. Yeah, but for the moment, you have to go through now for the see the products in it, you know. Yeah, because you're revealing how it is. One more house no so. Until more here into grandpa boano. Boys and girls, you know. Yeah, so I'll say it is a showroom. I think there are some people over here. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Boss.
Good afternoon. Alright, so thanks to some people are even here. Yes.
How are you doing? Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
This is the owner of Hockey.
Okay. I'm Bernard.
Bernard. You look very young.
Yeah, I'm very young.
How are you? 20?
27.
27, but you look like 20.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
It's very beautiful. No small. Sure. What's the face of that? I know it's a very long journey.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, first time. You haven't hit, right?
No.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, try to do first. Price and the quality. The price is super worthy. So, Hedy will show you the Jeep design. We'll have 4 sneakers, boots, and leather shoes, and also the sandals. You can check the quality.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Let's go.
Alright guys, so some more other Jeep boots and leather. I'm talking to one people. Yeah. So some more boots and leather products before I say, so we are trying to check them out.
So here is how we pack the shoe. We pack the shoes for our customers
Okay.
to remove the boxes to lower the CBM.
Yes.
The fan can save a little more cost.
Yes.
And then after removing, we'll pack into the carton and fill the carton. So it
Yeah,
won't
very
be,
solid.
yeah, it won't be too oversized.
Yes.
If it's oversized, the measurement from the shipping company will be too open.
Yes.
So make a stronger box and remove the boxes can help our customers to save the cost.
No. Alright, so I think these are the leather boots now more come out no?
Yes. And this is the sneakers.
And sneakers.
The mixed one.
Yeah, mixed ones.
This is the
Sandals.
This is
Yes.
the boots.
And this is the boots.
And I think this is a leather, not this one. We got some. I don't know how to say in Ghana. People, what do you think is? What do you call this kind of shoe? Casual shoes or leather
No,
shoes?
we call them shoes.
Shoes. The shoes. So they're all from Jeep,
Yeah.
the great brand. So like such a shoes, their production cost is over 40 RMB.
Yeah.
But if it is stock clearance right now, it's just selling 26, 27, 28.
Okay, so I think so they have a lot of goods here, quality ones. Men that down. Different types of boots, Kranema from age 3 crack or 13. We bring out shoes for them. Yeah. A very big warehouse. As you can see. Okay. I have access to the warehouse and I'm able to go through every single product that they are into. We show you one product. They have shoes like from 1 year to 13 years. And even 15 years case gravity might then actually, yeah. They have sneakers and school shoes as well. And they're not bad, they're very quality as you can see. When you used ones, very brand new. Yeah, some that comes in boxes. We should put that way, say yeah. We will come on. And if you are into this kind of products, you also have the chance. You can also place another. You have shoes, you will say. See now this is what here. Different types of shoes and designs. Yes. Yeah, school shoes. All right. The warehouse is very big.
Yeah. And this is our office. You can just take
Okay.
this is
So this is the office. And this is the workers. Hello.
Hi. And this is our many sales here.
Okay. Okay. See, I think they have more boxes now. More packages now. I say, two products now. So we have these types of shoes, white shoes.
Open it. It's okay.
Oh, this no need. I don't want to spoil the rubber.
It's the canvas, black and white.
Mm-hmm.
It's corporate shoes,
All right.
leather shoes. So nice.
Do you also sell mugs? Mugs?
Oh no. That's another.
Oh, okay, another warehouse. Oh. Yeah. So you mean stuff so we have all the same way. I repackage. Is this one drink? Okay.
Maybe not. I mean,
Yeah, I left in the room there. Okay. Let's just see sandals. You mean I product so I say based on product no. Wait my day. I request it. We have a catalog and the answer will request for catalog and then you just choose the kind of products. So products are available there, we will update you, but then Christmas, but this is very yes. Yeah. So the Christmas Eve, but a very wholesale. This chance, a very big opportunity for you to place orders now. You don't have to wait because I'll turn them on within 1 or 2 weeks. By November ending, be a dinner. Products na bomb away over best sell it for Christmas. Yes. The money also. They have a lot of goods. And this side, we turn them out this where they package them. So now explain it say auto products now almost nearly few bucks now because I'm not from why then. Almost repackage it. This kind of boxing to reduce CBM and so on. The cutting be our number before either 50 or 30. Yeah, based on the type of shoe now on. And this is the next warehouse as well. All these goods are in here. These are all shoes. Okay. Okay, so shoes, sports, grand quad there.
Many different.
Yeah.
Very nice product.
Okay. Yes, and see, Christmas Eve by event now, you have to place order as soon as possible. Products near effect, quality ones. Bring your papa on the go say. Things are there.
Yeah, we can just open.
You know to my channel. Okay, we just welcome, but 42 we're welcome. Yes, your size class wow. And see, those are also into sneakers, no? You can also get your types over here. Yeah.
It's 30 something RMB.
This is how much?
30. That's like different size, different price.
Okay.
Nice, and yes, it's 30, 34. Okay.
Yeah. See, what house in it? No everyone. Two here we are where then we'll reach out and place you the order. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah, very cute. And different size range. It's also have big size. This is the small size. Like 25. Yeah. Very nice. Like logo here.
Yeah, very nice ones.
And then here. And here the speakers. Yeah, every cartoon is produced from Turkey factory, they will have some handbags in the also. Oh, and there are some. It's like shoes. Like here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's very nice. And different color here. And this is black and this is silver. Very hot sale in Christmas season.
Yeah.
People buy them.
Yeah. So we're Christmas goods. Very nice one. Hot sales, Charlie. And you guys should be fast and then come and place your order. You have the catalog. Also, whatever you need there. So all these products are in the catalog, right?
Yeah, they are all in stock in the catalog.
Okay.
Yeah, I will update the catalog to you, and you can just advertise, post to your customers.
All right.
They are all in stock.
Very nice shoes.
One. They can mix 3 colors in one carton.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the ammo code is 36 pieces for heel.
Okay.
Yeah, also, and and some purchase. Oh. Yeah, this is the school shoe. School shoes. Very nice set. Many people buy them for school season.
Yeah.
Remember?
To raise you for school case and school shoes. Super son to be mamba.
Oh, and the boots. Let me show you. Look. Very nice.
Yeah, they're very nice.
Different sirens. It's very hard to picture. What's this? This is what? Oh, some shoes packed with this handbag. Can you find it? Oh, this one's the slipper. Cover slipper. Nike logo here. And the sole. Nice. Okay, and you just click like this. Nike logo. Just you go. This is what. It's like canvas. It's like 1H or 2H. Small baby.
Yeah, so we crank it for no. It's in 1 to 2 years. Yeah, almost type, you know what I say. Yeah. Very cute.
Yeah. And this is the white one.
Yeah, okay. In the white type you see.
I also have handbag here. 30 pieces in one cup.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Do you want to have a rest or turn around?
It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm cool now.
Feel free to do the tunnel.
Okay.
Oh, this is the light shoe.
Okay, don't worry, that's so light in what I say.
Like shoes.
Alright, guys, so that's all. Say one more products and have quality. Based on the type all you have to need is to select it from the catalog, and you just choose the quantity. They don't sell them in I can't say single numbers, so it's always coming like a carton. So based on the carton that you need, maybe one carton between about 30 pieces. There are some about 50 pieces. And based on the carton now, between that place your order. Yes, anyways, we do see I say in the next video, so we'll be going to another supplier to review some of their products. But until then, bye bye.